All right, painters have started today. It's April 13th. It's their first coat of paint on here. Still waiting for these two windows. All the heating and cooling's in. There's all the ventilation going across. Furnace is sitting up there above the office / laundry room area. Plumber's been here, started on that. Kitchen sink area. It's got the bathtub in. Pretty much done with the laundry room, sink. And the other bathroom. It's got all the gas lines ran for the fireplaces, inside and out. Fireplaces are installed last week. Got our outdoor fireplace. They're still caulking back here. Probably do their first coat tomorrow on this. There's our view from the patio. As they say, look at that view.
What do you think?
There's 800 different colors we're going to have in the kitchen. There's the master area. Master bedroom. Nothing much has changed. Thermostat will be there. Here's the master closet, master bath. It's got pretty much the plumbing and the vents done there. That's where the toilet's going to go. Vanities, shower, big ass tub. Front porch. Boys got everything all wrapped up so they don't get a drop of paint on these posts. If they did, all hell would break loose.